Welcome back to another review, and today I'll be reviewing this jelly-like cushion for your motorcycle. Now when I press on it, it feels like there's like these little pockets in there, and it's like a very like jello-y style cushion. It does feel comfortable actually. It's a nice thick pad, as you can see right here. And then of course for males, there you got the channel here to allow for ventilation to come through this area, and you know, kind of have both of your seating areas on each pad. It goes all the way to the front. So it's and then on this side, you can see all of the little grippy parts to get onto the seats. There are 4 attachment points, but the only thing is that the seat only came with 2 attachment straps, I would say. And here they are. They have a nice like little springy thing right here to really attach to, which I'll show you in a second. It did come with a cover for your seat where you could actually put this in. So in case you do get stuck out there starting to rain, you could go ahead and put your cover on. And it's elastic, so it just, you know, will go over your whole entire seat like this, as you could see. And then you could put it right back on your bike, and now your seat will be protected from the elements, the rain, dust, whatever, and so on and so forth. Or if it's, you know, hot out or whatever, I think this might attract more heat than anything if you were to leave this on when it's really sunny out. But if you want to, you could also leave it out there when you're not on the bike, you know, just to keep it from, you know, anybody, you know, doing something to your seat. All right, so let's go over to the bike, and I'll show you on the bike that I'm installing this on. And yeah, and then I'll just give you my overall thoughts. Okay, so we're over here on my 1000cc motorcycle, and I'm gonna put it on this motorcycle just because look at the comparison of the seat actually kind of matches if you see like this. So obviously look at that shape. I'll go ahead and put it on there, and you can see it actually fits pretty good on there. So in order to actually install this seat cover onto your seat, it does come with the 2 included straps, and you're wondering, okay, well there is, you know, 4 loops. Why there's only 2 straps? Because the strap goes from this side to that side, and that's the reason why there's only 2. So in order to install it onto your seat, you're gonna have to remove your motorcycle seat, and when doing so, I'm gonna put this over like this, and then we're going to go ahead and strap it over on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you pretty much on how it looks like. All right, there it is on the bike. Not so bad, pretty secure on there. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere when once you sit down on it. Yeah, and then obviously once you secure your seat, obviously it's really not gonna go anywhere. But the other cool thing about it is that if you do need to go somewhere and you're afraid about leaving your seat on the bike, you could just go ahead and unclip it from all 4 points, and then, you know, take your seat cushion with you or put it in your backpack or whatever. The only thing that would be left behind would be your little straps, because obviously the straps will be secured by your seat being bolted down. But just to go mobile real quick, you can see on how it's actually on the bike. All right, well, I'm gonna go for a little ride, and I'll show you a little bit of footage of me on the seat so you guys could see how it looks like when out on the road. So here I am, I'm already riding on a motorcycle, and first thoughts about it, it's actually not bad. It's actually pretty nice feeling on the seat. And yeah, I mean, after a while, I mean, for the first part, I do feel it there, but after that, I'm not really feeling it there. But it does feel, you know, pretty comfortable. And, you know, while I'm sitting there, like I said, it does, you know, raise up my profile a little bit off the seat more. But other than that, not bad. It's feeling comfortable so far. And I figure I do a couple of, you know, turns to see how it feels while I'm making a turn. If I feel like I'm going to slide off the seat, or if the seats are going to start coming off. But honestly, after making those few turns, I don't feel it, you know, sliding off, or I don't feel like it's shifting or anything like that. But I do feel when I do move around that, you know, it does relieve, you know, some tension if there were any. So that's a cool thing about having this type of gel seat. Okay, just got back from the ride, and it felt really nice. The only thing I would say about the cushion on it, because it is so thick, it does raise my body up a little bit more of me on the bike. So it does raise my seat height that much more. So I do have to lift. I would have to lift my leg up a little bit more so I could actually get it over. But other than that, once I'm sitting on it, it feels really good. You know, especially when I'm moving around, I could, you know, it's like the whole cushion doesn't like necessarily move around, but this like rubbery and whatever's in here kind of just moves like this with my body. Since it moves, it kind of relieves being just stuck always in one specific position. Compared with this, you're just sitting there, so that part doesn't really move. But because this does move, you know, it's almost like, you know, when you're sitting for too long and you have to get up, you know, just to move around and you sit back down. So it's almost something like that, but still sitting down. So it's pretty cool on the way it does that. Okay, so my overall thoughts about this seat for your motorcycle is not bad of a seat. I am going to keep it on my bike like this. Like I said, this one fits it a lot more. If you happen to have a cruiser, you know, you could put it on that. Or if you have like almost like a banana seat, I may try it on the e-bike as well and see how it feels. Now, if you do want to remove it, all you got to do is just move these like little clips here. So let me go ahead and do that so I can show you. So the clip is right here. So I decided to do, you know, like opposites on the clips. One facing this way, one facing that way. And all you have to do to remove it is just push down on this little springy part right here. So push it down like this and then, you know, just pull it out. Might be a little hard because the camera's in my way. But yeah, there you go. So that kind of unclips it from here. So you can do it on all four. And don't just note that your clips are going to be just there on the bike. And then you could go ahead and remove your seat. You know, if you feel that you need to, or you want to just take it in, or you're parked somewhere, you don't want to leave it out in the street, wherever you're parked. So that's a cool thing about it. And then when you're ready to get back out there again, just get it, pull it, and then just, you know, push it in through like that. And there you go. That's it. So really cool experience to have a seat like this, and especially having these like little indentations in there. Actually, it has like almost like a little flower pattern if you look far away from it. But anyhow, really cool seat. Definitely recommend it. Well, hopefully you found this review helpful, and if you did, great. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.